Now, it is not every day that you come face to face with an alligator. And don't worry, this guy's made out of foam. Out here at Atelier de la Nature, this is just one of the creative pieces that'll take center stage during this weekend's festival. Now, I'm Joshua Moten, your St. Martin Parish reporter, talking with the artist who's turning folklore into art. Chris Kingswell moved to Louisiana just 2 years ago, and it didn't take long for the state's natural beauty and folklore to spark his creativity.
Recently, I've gotten very into visual art, especially dioramas and sculpting.
Originally from Chicago, Chris says he's always had a creative streak, one that goes back to his childhood.
I always was the type of kid who played with like Lego sets or Playmobil figures as a kid and like toy animals, and I always liked to make like little scenes with all the toys and stuff.
That same imagination led to his latest creation, an Alligator Man, built entirely from repurposed materials.
What is this made out of? Like, what is this?
Yeah, so this is the Alligator Man, and I don't know if you can tell this, or I don't know if the viewers can tell it from watching at home, but believe it or not, the entire head here is made out of spray foam.
Chris says he loves working with recycled items, partly for the challenge and partly because it fits the mission of Atelier de la Nature.
We often use a variety of mediums, including a lot of like recycled materials, used materials like old clothes found at like thrift stores.
Founded in 2017, Atelier de la Nature, French for Nature's Workshop, is a 25-acre nature reserve and sculpting garden in St. Martin Parish. It's a place where art and ecology come together to inspire conservation through creativity. And this weekend, that idea takes on a fairy tale feel for the annual Halloween Arts Festival. This year's theme, the Enchanted Forest.
Not just the tables to walk around, there's gonna be like face painting for kids. You can look at all the different art projects that people have made. There's gonna be live music.
And while his Alligator Man may look like something out of a fairy tale, Chris says it's rooted in the real magic that happens when art and nature meet. And he tells me he's just excited to share his creative work with the community at this weekend's festival. Reporting for St. Martin Parish, I'm Joshua Moten, your St. Martin Parish reporter with KATC TV3.